That was weird. It cut to like 20 minutes ago of footage. That's a that's a long delay. All right. Uh, welcome back. We got one one person watching. I'm not sure they're actually watching. Uh, let me give it a minute before I get started. It has been a day. All right, I'm gonna get started. Uh, just this video will be up. I'm not talking to anybody. This video will be up afterwards. So, the conductors from the service point to the service disconnecting means. This is the definition. It is Article 100. Service conductors. You just need to look up the answer choices. Uh, Conductors and equipment for delivering electric energy from the serving utility to the wiring system of the premises served is the NEC definition for service. Of course it is. It's a definition. It's in Article 100. Uh, Another definition. No reason to spend any more time on that. Overhead service conductors passing over the roof of a building. Vertical clearance. This is going to be service conductors vertical clearance. Is 8 foot. You're going to want to look up service conductors, which I want to say is 220. But I could be wrong. It is not 220. 230. 230 is services. And then overhead service conductors is a section in that. 230.54. And then drip loops. That is not where that answer is though. Uh, Now that I've directed you there. Uh, let's see. Uh, Supports over buildings. Overhead service. 230.22 is overhead service conductors. Above roofs is 8 foot. So 230.24A is where that one is. Which of the following wiring methods is/are not permitted for use with service conductors or 1,000 volts nominal or less? So you're going to need to flip to the back of services. So Article 230, but the back of their part, I want to say part 5. Part 9, actually. Uh, is overcurrent. No, that's overcurrent protection. Let's flip back a little bit. Circuit breakers. Supervised industrial installations. Uh, It is definitely in Article 230. I am wiring methods for 1,000 volts nominal or less. That's 230.43. Uh, it should be right in here. There's 230.43, and then all right, I'm gonna 230.43. Haha, I was close. 1 through 19. Wait, what? Oh, I read or more. It says or less, and I read it or more. That's just me being bad at reading. I have to take back all the things I've said about you people asking so many questions about this. Won't load up for me. Charles said it won't load. Uh, that might be why I only have two viewers. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can solve this. Uh, huh. All right. This is gonna be a short one, so maybe we can just rewatch it. Individual meter socket enclosures rated 1,000 volts or less must be marked to identify them as being suitable for service equipment. Good. Good. Charles is in now. Suitable for service equipment. So meter sockets, I saw that a second ago. This is still going to be in 230. Service equipment general. Disconnecting means service equipment. And I'm going to cheat again. 230.66. That's, oh, service equipment marking. The marking methods for service equipment, that's marked to identify. I was looking for meter socket enclosures. Yeah. So this is 230.66 for this one. Then each ungrounded service conductor shall have blank protection. It's got to be overcurrent. Let's see. Ooh. I was like, it's got to be like ground fault or something protection or overload protection. But that's kind of all of the answers. Overload protection. Okay. I like it. 230.90. And that service equipment overcurrent protection, that whole section is overcurrent protection. It's a part you could get from the table of contents pretty easily. All right. So that is the end there. Uh, I don't want to cut this too short. So, uh, man, it is hot in this room. This streaming and stuff is really cranking out a bunch of heat from my computer. Uh, it's like having a heater uh, just in the room with me. Uh, I would recommend if you're just now joining us, go back after I'm done and rewatch. It's only about 8 minutes long. Shouldn't take that long. Yeah. Anybody have any questions? I'm gonna give it like another minute or two for any questions to pop in. Uh, any complaints? Anything y'all want to say to me? Uh, if you're here but you haven't joined the Discord, I would recommend joining the Discord. What headset do I have? I have a crap. It is the Sennheiser HD6.XX. It's from Massdrop, or not Massdrop anymore, just Drop. Uh, it's that's not it. These. These are the headsets I've got. This is the headphones I've got. They're excellent. And then I have a mod mic, Antlion mod mic. Uh, these are some of the most comfortable headset I've ever gotten. Uh, I was using an Audio Technica set of headphones before I upgraded to these, and uh, I think I upgraded to these because my ex-wife's set broke, and I gave her mine and bought myself a a much nicer set of headphones. Uh, they are way better than the plebeian uses that I used them for. All right. Uh, gonna give it a couple more minutes and then call it. Uh, I'm gonna start the new quiz while we're here, so Charles doesn't have to message me. Last quiz of the day. So if you uh, last quiz of the day. So good luck, everybody. Let me set up. Whenever this quiz finishes, I'm going to set up a overall quiz that's everything. Uh, all right. Close the festoon lighting. So, lesson 6 is our last one. It's switches, receptacles, and luminaires. I would be looking in. We've been in chapter 2 this whole time. I would go to chapter 4 for all the answers for this one. Uh, article 404, 406. I'm not entirely sure about luminaires. 410 is where all of this stuff's going to be. And then if you go in your electrical systems textbook, you get some stuff there also. All right. Wow, we have a lot more, like, people are watching, coming in a lot closer to 4 o'clock. Uh, what it's the actual going over the lesson was very short, so once I end the stream, you could rewatch that. It's again very short. It was only a couple questions, so it only took like 8 minutes. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna hop off here.